Gcash app not working, something went wrong, internal error problem. Internet server error problem in Gcash app. How to fix this problem in this video I will show you. Are you facing this problem? Are you looking this problem in your Gcash application? Something went wrong, server internal problem. So let's start the video. So first of all, if you are also facing this problem, then guys tell me in the comment box and how we can fix this problem in this video. Talk about that. Okay, first of all, if you're having this problem, then simply you have to just open your first of all mobile settings. Go to the mobile settings. After opening the mobile setting, now you have to just go to your apps option, otherwise you can go app management. After going the app option, now you have to just search Gcash app in the search bar. Okay, simply search here Gcash app in the search bar and open Gcash app info. Okay, this is app info. You have to just open your mobile setting, and after opening this, now you have to just click the storage and cache option Gcash app, and now you have to just do the clear cache and clear storage Gcash app. Okay, after doing this, now second step is go to Play Store and search the Gcash application, and if there found any update Gcash application on Play Store, then update immediately, because this is latest version. You have to just download on Play Store Gcash app, go to update on Play Store. It will be work 100%, and now you can easily use. Okay, after update Gcash app, now you have to just open. So now I will opening. So my problem is solved. Make sure this video is helpful to you. Like and subscribe to the channel. So you have to just tell me in the comment box your problem is fixed or not. Okay, after update it opening for some time late taking. Okay, so don't worry, it will be work easily. So give the permissions, and now you can easily log in here. Thanks for watching the video.